Welcome to Getting Se&y Back. Today, we're diving into a topic that could revolutionize your health and well-being: anti-inflammatory diets. Whether you're a longtime viewer or joining us for the first time, you won't want to miss this. Reducing inflammation in your body is crucial for overall health, and it might just be the key to getting that sexy back you've been dreaming of. Let's explore how the foods you eat can fight inflammation and transform your life. An anti-inflammatory diet is a powerful tool for improving your overall health and well-being. It's all about choosing foods that help reduce inflammation in your body while avoiding those that can trigger it. This diet focuses on whole, nutrient-dense foods that are packed with antioxidants. These natural compounds work to neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, which can contribute to inflammation. By following an anti-inflammatory diet, you may experience benefits like reduced risk of chronic diseases, improved energy levels, and better overall health. It's not just a temporary fix, it's a sustainable approach to eating that can transform your health from the inside out. Now let's dive into the foods you should include in your anti-inflammatory diet. These powerhouse ingredients are not only delicious, but also pack a punch when it comes to fighting inflammation in your body. First up, we have colorful vegetables. Think broccoli, kale, bell peppers, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are loaded with antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, reducing inflammation. Next, let's talk about fruits. Berries, especially blueberries and cherries, are amazing for fighting inflammation. They're rich in compounds called anthocyanins that have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Don't forget about fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Nuts and seeds are also crucial. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that combat inflammation. Spices are secret weapons in the fight against inflammation. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a superstar. Ginger and cinnamon also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Lastly, don't shy away from dark chocolate and green tea. They're rich in flavonoids that help reduce inflammation. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight inflammation naturally. Remember, every bite counts in your journey to getting sexy back. Now that we've covered the foods that can help reduce inflammation, let's talk about the ones you should try to avoid. These are the culprits that can actually promote inflammation in your body, potentially leading to chronic health issues. First up, added sugars. This includes things like high fructose corn syrup found in sodas and many processed foods. These sugars can trigger the release of inflammatory messengers in your body, contributing to chronic inflammation over time. Next, we have refined carbohydrates. Think white bread, pasta, and pastries. These foods are quickly converted to sugar in your body, spiking your blood sugar and potentially leading to increased inflammation. Trans fats are another big no-no. While they've been banned in many countries, they can still lurk in some processed foods. These artificial fats are highly inflammatory and have been linked to numerous health problems. Processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats are also inflammatory foods. They often contain high levels of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, which can trigger inflammation in your body. Lastly, excessive alcohol consumption can also promote inflammation. While a glass of red wine might have some benefits, overdoing it can lead to increased inflammation and other health issues. By limiting or avoiding these foods, you're taking a big step towards reducing inflammation in your body and promoting better overall health. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. Now, let's dive into a sample menu that perfectly embodies an anti-inflammatory diet. For breakfast, kickstart your day with a delicious 3-egg omelet packed with 1 cup of mushrooms and 1 cup of kale, all cooked in heart-healthy olive oil. Pair this with a cup of antioxidant-rich cherries and a soothing cup of green tea. For lunch, treat yourself to a grilled salmon fillet served on a bed of mixed greens, drizzled with olive oil and vinegar. Follow this with a cup of raspberries topped with plain Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of chopped pecans. Wash it all down with some unsweetened iced tea. When those mid-afternoon cravings hit, reach for some crisp bell pepper strips paired with creamy guacamole. For dinner, indulge in a flavorful chicken curry with sweet potatoes, cauliflower, and broccoli. Complement your meal with a glass of red wine and finish off with a small piece of dark chocolate containing at least 80% cocoa for a satisfying, antioxidant-rich dessert. This menu is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that help combat inflammation throughout your body. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits you can experience by following an anti-inflammatory diet. By making these simple changes to your eating habits, you're not just improving your meals, you're transforming your health from the inside out. First and foremost, many people notice a significant improvement in symptoms related to chronic diseases. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, or other autoimmune disorders, an anti-inflammatory diet can help alleviate pain and discomfort. But that's not all. By reducing inflammation in your body, you're also lowering your risk of developing serious health issues like obesity and heart disease. Think of it as a proactive approach to your long-term health. You might also notice some positive changes in your overall health markers. Many people report improved energy levels, better sleep quality, and even clearer skin. Your blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels may also improve, which is great news for your cardiovascular health. Remember, every small step you take towards an anti-inflammatory diet is a step towards a healthier, happier you. So why not start today? Now, let's talk about some additional ways you can reduce inflammation in your body beyond just your diet. Regular exercise is a powerful tool in fighting inflammation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. This could be anything from brisk walking to swimming or cycling. Getting enough quality sleep is equally important. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve your sleep quality. Stress reduction is another key factor. Incorporate stress-relieving activities into your daily routine, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. Even just taking a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness can make a big difference. Lastly, if you're a smoker, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your overall health and to reduce inflammation. Consider seeking support from your healthcare provider or joining a smoking cessation program to help you quit. All right, let's wrap this up. We've covered a lot about anti-inflammatory diets today, and I hope you're feeling inspired to make some positive changes. Remember, it's all about focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods like colorful fruits and veggies, fatty fish, nuts, and spices. At the same time, try to cut back on those inflammation-promoting foods like added sugars, refined carbs, and processed meats. Starting an anti-inflammatory diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Even small changes can make a big difference in how you feel. Why not try incorporating 1 or 2 anti-inflammatory foods into your meals this week? For more detailed information and some great recipes to get you started, be sure to check out the resources in the video description below. Your journey to better health starts now, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's get sexy back together!
Introducing Superfood Power, a complete nutrition guide to boost energy, brain health, and well-being. This book is your ultimate guide to unlocking the incredible potential of superfoods, nature's gift to our health. With endless dietary options and wellness trends, it's easy to feel lost. But superfoods are here to help. These nutrient-rich foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your immune function, enhance mental clarity, and boost your energy levels. From ancient civilizations to modern research, superfoods have proven their worth. They're not just a trend. They're the cornerstone of a balanced lifestyle that helps protect against chronic illnesses and promotes longevity. So what makes superfoods so special?